I want to talk to y'all about the setup for class. I think this will benefit so much if you can make some changes. You might not be able to because of your circumstances, but if you can, have a couple of pillows already ready for your knees when you turn your knees out. Just about every one of y'all need to have these, and you don't. All of y'all don't. Get your stuff set up prior to it so that you really are ready. Try to have contrast of your pants. If your pants are black and your blanket is black, I can't see your legs. Just give me some contrast. And another little thing is, have your chair, have all the stuff here. Try to keep your phone so that it's not really going to be an issue bothering you. And any animals, totally cool. But if you can minimize the animal situation, I think you'll be glad. If you can't, you can't. But the more you aren't disturbed during the floor movements especially, or the whole class really, you're going to benefit 10 times more. You're just not used to, in your house, kind of quarantining yourself. Probably. See you later. Okay, so this is little rolls with hip hike. So we're going to turn the leg in like we always do. Right in here, you're always turning from here. Turn from here. Then once it's turned in, we're going to hike up the hip towards our armpit. Hiking up towards the armpit. Then we're going to turn it out from the top part of the hip, as much by the top part of the hip as possible. Relax the opposite side, and then we're going to draw it down out of the hip as if it's like in the middle of the leg bone, all the way from the ribs. Not the front of the thigh, not the back of the thigh, the deepest part of the thigh, going from the ribs. Okay. We're going to do rude plie in class. Rude plie is one where when we've gone into spectator stretch and we've rested here, this is a warm-up in a sense after we've done this. Then when we go into rude plie, we'll have a broader stance. Knees are out, all the same thing. Same thing with the hips. We bend over, keep the groove, and then we get comfortable with the feet, press the knees apart, and we hang out in the air. Now, we don't want an overarched spine. We just want the arch. We want a lot of work in here. And those of y'all who've done it for a while, remember, it's not shoulders up. You're going to be kind of down in here, and you can come up a little. But we'll go over it more, but I want you to see it before we do it later.